Is that when I was over your house and you cooked? You was that guy?
You know, that's why I moved back from L.A., right? Do you understand that? That's why I moved back. Because when I was in L.A., that was my fourth fat in L.A. I was out there. I booked a pilot. I thought I was going to be famous. Never went anywhere. Fucking stayed in L.A. Wound up fucking watching the Food Network every day and started cooking shit. He came over to my house to stay with me, and I knew how to cook everything. But my specialty was barbecue chicken. I knew how to flip it at the right time, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 1.5 minute, 1.5 minute, 50 seconds. And it was perfect, juicy barbecue chicken. And I had this barbecue sauce. He came over, he's eating my chicken. He goes, Bobby, you gotta move the fuck back to New York. I'm like, why? He goes, this is the best barbecue chicken I've ever had in my life. You're a cook, motherfucker.
I said, fuck out of here. I said, no one should be able to, you should not be able to make chicken this good. That means you're not working.
You're not working, right.
Yeah.
Right.
God.
You're spending time cooking.
This is too delicious.
You know, my wife would wake up in the middle of the night and have Cornish game hens with fucking almond sauce.
That's depression, man. You learn how to cook like that. That's telling you. You learn how to cook, learn how to make fucking curry chicken, and you just, delicious, and you have no one to invite over. So I'm just sitting there alone eating. I have the entire pot in between my legs, and I'm eating. I have the rice on a spoon, and I dip the rice in the pot with the sauce and the chicken, and I'm just fucking. I'm like, I gotta get a fucking job.
I did that I made a pie one night. I did the same shit. I made a pie like 3 in the... Dude, I went to Ralph's at 3 in the morning. I had this invention that I was going to do chocolate, then vanilla pudding, then vanilla chocolate, white chocolate, then chocolate pudding, and then whipped cream.
Christ.
I made the graham cracker crust myself by scratch. I did everything. Then I woke my wife up. She got mad at me, and she went back to bed. I ate it by myself with my dogs on the fucking couch. I didn't give them any because they fucking died, but...